Hello everyone, I'm the Chinese teacher Heidi. It's really nice to see you in Chinese in 12 weeks. And today we are going to talk about how do we say yes to people. As many of you guys have already known, yes is 是 or 是的, but that won't work every time because 是 is used for something is actually being it. Like he is a student. 他是学生. Or I am a girl. 我是女生 or that is mom's room. 那是妈妈的房间 or this is today's news. 这是今天的新闻 Something is actually being it. When we say yes with verbs, we cannot use 是 anymore. We have to use the verb from the sentence. For example, do you like it? Oh, yes, I like it. And we have to choose like as the verb refers to yes. And if you say, oh, do you have it? We say, yes, I have it. So have should be the word we choose for yes. And also, do you want it? Yes, I want it. Want is the word we'll choose for yes. Let's put in the sentences. 你喜欢吗？喜欢。你想要吗？想要。你有吗？有。Okay, so this is how we say yes. Be careful with that. Alright, I hope you guys know how to say yes to people. And next time I will talk about how do we say no to people. Let's see you next time. Bye-bye.